Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a video in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened up my Microsoft PowerPoint, and as you can see, I have created a PowerPoint presentation, and I'm going to create a video with this PowerPoint presentation. Before I create a video, I'm going to show you my slide. So this is how my slide looks like. Okay, and I'm going to create a video with this slide. Okay, if we want to create a video, we can go to the record menu. And then we're going to save this PowerPoint presentation as a video. We can click on export to video. Alright, and then I'm going to click on create a video, and we can choose the resolution. I'm going to select HD, and then I'm going to click on create a video. Okay, then I'm going to save it to my download folder and click on save. Okay, and now the video has been saved, and I'm going to check it in this folder. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a video in PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.